welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the libraries panel. So if I go up to window and we go down to libraries, and I'll close out the learn panel, what we're going to get here, and again, this is a little bit of repetition from the previous section, which is okay. This library that I created is stored on Creative Cloud, which is a online storage. If you don't know what Creative Cloud is, it's basically your files are stored on a server in a different location than your office hard drive, okay? And so what can happen is, let's say that you live in California and you go on a trip to Texas and you leave your laptop in California and you come to Texas and you're working for a company or a client and they have another computer, you log into your Creative Cloud account and you have all your library items here. And it basically transfers it over without even doing anything. It's the storage where it's stored. It gives you the ability to be very mobile, okay? There's not a lot of restriction when you have stuff on the cloud. That's the libraries panel, and that's what libraries are. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.